ground and transmit. 8 cars, check right. Check left. Departure review. Complete. Forward takeoff checklist complete. Power. Rakishi set. Marsa set. Power set. Upward set. Barrel burst checklist complete.
The C-130 Hercules, built by the Lockheed Martin Aircraft Company, was first produced in 1956. It was I tell you folks, it's harder than it looks. It's a long way to the top if you want to rock and roll. It's a long way to the top if you want to rock and roll. Albert Flat Pass. Over the course of a complete show season, Fat Albert will fly more than 100,000 miles, carrying a normal show load of 45,000 pounds of fuel, 35,000 pounds of equipment, and a specialized maintenance and support team of nearly 50 personnel.
We wanted everything. Mama said, don't give up. It's a little complicated, all tied up, no more love, and I'd hate to see you waiting. Had to have hopes for the living, shooting for the stars, but I couldn't make a killing. Didn't have a time, but I always had a vision, always had hopes. Had to have hopes for the living, didn't know how. Always had a feeling, I was gonna be that one in a million. Always had hopes.
With the short field landing capability, they will touch down and immediately reposition the propellers to full reverse, stopping the aircraft in just 1,500 feet. You will notice that not only can the aircraft stop quickly, it can also produce enough thrust to taxi backward. Ladies and gentlemen, with the stars and stripes flying proudly above the cockpit, the Blue Angel C-130. Fat Albert. Since 1946, the Blue Angels have had the unique privilege of demonstrating to the American public the precision techniques of naval aviation, hoping to inspire a culture of excellence and service to country. The maneuvers you will see demonstrated here this afternoon are coordinated tactical techniques developed by Navy and Marine Corps pilots in both peacetime training and actual combat. These maneuvers are neither stunts nor daring feats, but are refinements of basic techniques taught to every prospective naval aviator. Here in the skies over Columbus, we will demonstrate these maneuvers at very low altitude in traditional Blue Angel formation, so that you may see and take pride in the precise fashion in which your Navy and Marine Corps pilots are trained to fly.
Thanks, Bo. Solo's for clear for takeoff. Solo's ready to rock the Buckeye State, boss. Boss, we're clear for takeoff. The winds are 270 at 10. That's our right headwind. Check your parking brake off. Check your trim set. Check your nose off. Maneuver. Dive and half scroll cage. Left turn out. We got Poppy. Trash. Traffic clears on 9. Let's fire it up for Columbus.
Commander Brian calls, smoke on, off brakes now, burners ready now, and the Blue Angel Diamond is rolling. As they pass before you, you will notice that the smoke is no longer visible while the engines are in afterburner. Necessary airspeed to complete their next maneuver. Takeoff, while Blue Angel number 6 executes a precise slow transition and pitches up vertically at 6 times the force of gravity. Separation between these 4 aircraft. From the right,
the Blue Angel Diamond!
Jockey 360, let's go!
Lieutenant Commander O'Donnell will roll their aircraft a 90 degrees angle of bank and cross canopy to canopy as they perform the opposing knife edge pass. Ladies and gentlemen, the opposing inverted to inverted roll.
They're gonna.
To the left, the Diamond is setting up for their next maneuver. Approaching center point, the commander pilots command. All four pilots will simultaneously roll their aircraft 360 degrees as they perform the Diamond aileron roll. Here's Commander Ryan.
All set, all pulse. Ready, headed.
Let's go. Don't wait.
Anyone on the road chase me. I'm a little chase, but they won't chase me. Ain't too bad.
Of the landing gear and tail hooks by the four Diamond pilots as they execute a maneuver performed by no other jet demonstration team in the world today. From the left, the Diamond Dirty Loop. Afterburning turn and exit the flight line vertically, showcasing the Super Hornet's turbo nose-low capability.
It's about to be legendary. It's about to be legendary. This is what we came for.
From behind the spectator, miles per hour. ease and cross with minimum separation, watch as both pilots sustain 6 times the force of gravity to cross their aircraft over show center.
I go hard like Shaq in the paint, I'm a fighter, survivor, rider, NASCAR teams all lined up, track has to
with a combined closure rate of over 800 miles per hour. Ladies and gentlemen, the opposing horizontal rolls. The ability of a tactical aircraft at high speed to sneak into a target area virtually undetected.
I'm chasing paradise with
As they exit to the left, hesitation roll.
With all the ice on in the booth. At the gate outside, when they pull up, they give me loose. Yeah, jump out, boys. That's Nike boys hopping our coast. Way too big when we pull up, give me the
As each aircraft accelerates to 500 miles per hour, they will perform a reversal turn back toward the flight line. You should be able to follow their individual smoke trails as all 4 aircraft converge on center point with maximum closure and minimum separation.
Funky business, outrageous. Just confess your girl that lift that we the F-R-E-S-H, we fresh. G-E-F, that's right, we definite. B-E-P, we reppin' it. So, turn me up, turn me up, turn me up. Come on, baby, just pump it. Pump it.
two solo pilots are making. Oh! £68,000 of thrust. To the right, Commander Zimmerman and Lieutenant Commander O'Donnell are approaching to demonstrate the slow speed handling characteristics of the Super Hornet in the clean configuration. They'll pass before you virtually standing Blue Angels 5 and 6 on their tails. At less than 120 miles per hour, the fly-by-wire flight controls provide the slow speed handling that's in the section High Alpha Pass.
Tell me now, do you want it? Cause these dancing feet don't ride to the rhythm and grind me up. And every Saturday night that you ain't keep my tears up. These sides around the world. I wanna dance another beat now, unless it's with you.
Command, all 6 pilots will simultaneously roll their aircraft 360 degrees as they perform the Delta Aileron roll. Let's listen in.
Command our pulse. Ready, hit it.
I can make your hands clap. Good people in a back row pew. Good dirt that the corn grows through. Good water that can wash away our sins. Good time.
In front of the crowd, the Delta is making its approach to the flight line. Approaching center point, the entire formation will separate in dramatic fashion. Ladies and gentlemen, the Blue Angel Delta Breakout.
Enjoy the ride.